Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with my Sephora Playbox unboxing. So let's go right ahead and get it open. Okay, ooh, this month looks really fun. It looks like it's signs, I can't think, astrological signs? I think that's what you call it. Anyway, I think this looks pretty cool. Very, very nice. So, and the dreaded clear bag. Come on, Sephora. Let's go back to the cloth bags. But anyway, Sephora Play is $10 a month, free shipping, plus tax. And with your Sephora Play box, you get your Play book, which has a description of all the items in your box, and you also get your Play card. And if you take this card with you into your local Sephora store and make a purchase, you will get 50 extra Beauty Insider points. And I do believe now you can use these online, which is really, really awesome. Let's go ahead and see what we got this month. And it does feel a lot lighter than last month. So the first item is very tiny, and it says it's from Bite. And it's a lip balm and a lip scrub. I don't love that it's in one of these throwaway packages, but at the same time, this is something I will 100% use, so I'm pretty excited about it. Okay, so the next item, we'll grab this big one. This is from Hum, and it says Deluxe 3-Day Sample Daily Cleanse helps clear your skin and body from toxins. Oh. Take 2, so this is like a pill? I don't really like that. I kind of feel like I'm getting, I don't know. It has directions on the back, and it says take 2 capsules with or without food. Detox and cleanse from deep inside. I really don't give 2 poops about this. I'm not excited. I didn't order Sephora Play to get pills. Sorry. I wanted it for makeup. So not very excited about that. It might be a great product, but it's just not really what I ordered this box for. So, number 3. Not off to a great start, but let's see. Okay, so this looks like it's a beauty blender product. This is the... I have no idea what this is. It says Beauty, or Blender. It says Blender Cleanser Solid Pro. And I don't really know what it is, so let's cut it open. Hopefully without cutting myself. This is a soap, maybe a face wash. It feels very waxy. Kind of has a lemony smell. I'm gonna have to look in the book. I don't really like doing that for these videos, but we're going to. Okay, it says a charcoal infused soap that removes excess product, dirt, and oil from makeup tools. Oh, so you use it to clean your beauty blenders. Okay. And that's all okay. I can use regular soap for that, but whatever. Okay, so this box is not really impressing me so far. The next item, I feel like I'm getting a lot of kind of chintzy sample stuff this month. This is from Believe in Truth Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. Okay. And I don't know, I guess I've just been spoiled with the really nice containers and nice size packaging. But this month is just like, I don't know. Okay, next item. This is from Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores, sorry. So I down with this. I like charcoal masks. Oh wow. Kind of feels like it almost has a lemony scent to it too, but maybe I just have that stuck in my nose from that little bar thing. Alright, and this should be the final item. I can kind of see what it is. I'm assuming it's a lipstick or a mascara or something. This is from Clinique, and the color is Black. I already have this. I have this color. This is in Black Honey. I've gotten this before in my Sephora Play box. This literally exact color. I'm not gonna put it on because I already have it, so I can give this to someone else. I am not happy with this box. There's the only thing I'm really excited about is this, and this is pretty sad that this is my favorite item. I don't know, I'm not that impressed. Like, I don't want pills. This seems kind of strange, but I think it's just because I've been spoiled to the nice packaging with everything else. I can use regular soap to clean my beauty blender, so I don't really care about this. I've literally gotten this lipstick in this exact same color before, and I have like 1,000 charcoal masks. So I mean, I use this, but like I'm like, ooh, yay, so excited. So, sorry to be a Debbie Downer, but this box is definitely not one of my favorites. It seems like Sephora Play has just really been slipping. And this, to me, was just... This might be my least favorite box I've ever gotten, honestly. I think it is. That's sad. So anyway, sorry that I'm kind of being a Debbie Downer, like I said, but thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys got the same items, or if you feel like you got better items than me, or different items, comment down below, let me know what you got. I always like reading the comments, seeing what everyone got different or the same or whatnot. So anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. So sending pugs and kisses your way. Bye!